All right, good morning. This is Monday, November 7th, 2022, and it's almost 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So what's happening with this market? Well, let's see. I've got all of the markets up. The ES is up around 15 points. NASDAQ about 41 points, and the Dow, this is a Dow futures, it's about 200 points. So there's really not a lot of stuff going on. They're still in their balance areas, and the Dow has created this little balance area in here. Although the markets are going up a little bit here, I don't feel any strength in this market. It just doesn't feel like it's very strong, and it's ready to go down. I mean, that's what I feel. I just don't feel any strength. So like I've been saying all along, this is a buy-sell game. So this has been bought, this is sold, this is bought here, same thing here. Sold and bought, sold and bought. So it feels like, at least to me, the market, the next move would be down. Of course, if it starts to continue up, then you got some strength in here, right? But I don't feel that. I have put options in this, and I'm hanging on to my position. Again, if the market starts breaking down below this box, or even into this area, I'm going to buy some more positions. That's what I'm going to do. And if it comes up here, and it starts getting close here, and I feel some strength building up, then I'm going to get out and take a loss. Small loss, because I bought at the top. I bought put options expecting the market to go down. And if this does break out and comes up in this area, I don't think I'm going to buy any call options. I just think this market just has a lot of weakness to it. It doesn't have a lot of upside, if there's any at all. And I'm going to just stay out of the market. And I think from this point on, it's just going to be put options, expecting the market to go down. So we'll see what happens during the day, but I have a feeling this is just not very strong in here, and the market should be heading lower. It's not any advice to you to start buying put options for it to go down. You can do that if you want, but for me, I'm not going to do that until I start seeing some breakdown below this line, and below this line, and below this line. And it should all happen together pretty fast too. So we'll see what happens for the rest of the day. Okay, back to a daily chart on the ES, and as you can see again, the market from beginning of the year, it's been going down steadily. Again, people are selling here, people are buying here, people are selling, buying, selling, and buying. So where we're at now is we're in this balance area. It's a pretty good sized balance area too. It's building up a lot of steam in here. A lot of energy is being built up. Probably the largest balance area compared to any of these. So it looks like it's preparing for a pretty big move right here, and I doubt if it's going to go up, because if it does, probably break this trend. It's so big, it's probably going to take it way up in here. And if it does that, it might even break this bear market and start going into a bull market. I really don't see that happening. It just seems like all the other stocks under the NASDAQ and S&P, you have like Tesla and Amazon and those big hitters, they're all going down. They're still continuing to go down. So I really don't see overall strength in this market. I see overall weakness. So since this is building up big, and if it keeps building up, the next move is going to be very big. And like I said, I don't see any strength coming up here. I see it possibly going down, and if it does, it's going to start to hit pretty big. So here's a weekly chart. This is back in 2020. This is when the pandemic started and it took off. And now it's down here and it's in this area. So you can see how big this balance area is compared to the rest. There's really not a lot going on in here. Now, if this does break down and it goes below this, you're going to see a lot of selling. Tremendous amount of selling on all levels, meaning you're going to see a lot of stocks, you're going to see a lot of people. Right now there's a lot of people getting back into the market. They're thinking it's going up. There's a lot of these salesmen, they're talking people into this is the bottom. And the only problem with that, if it's not the bottom and all these people are piling on and this starts going down and it's a fake out, those people are going to start selling. They're going to get very frantic. And the problem with that is we get this. We get these big, huge downturns. And that's what you're going to see here if this does start breaking down. How far can this market go? Well, I don't know if anybody knows. It could go all the way down, back down to here. That's a huge drop. It's going to just wipe all these people out. It's going to wipe out everybody if that happens. And very possible it's going to do that. It's going to come back to the 2008. It's not impossible. In fact, it's a probability that would probably happen. And it's going to take all of this out. So that would be something to prepare for. And what I mean by prepare is if you trade according to how I'm showing you, then you're going to make money, and you'll probably make a lot of money going down, way more, because this goes down a lot faster than it goes up. Look at how fast this went down, and it took a while to come up here. I mean, it didn't take that long. It actually went up pretty fast for a bull market, but look at this right here, how long it took. Drops down really fast, goes up, drops down really fast. So I suspect that's what's going to happen in this area. It's just going to plummet down. Who knows how long it's going to take, but people get scared. Right now those salesmen are talking to them to get back in the market and to dump all their money in there and go long term. Well, no such thing as long term. So this is what happens. And so, okay, so we'll just keep you up to date every day on what's going on. So back to the daily chart, we're just going to focus on this right here. That's all we're going to focus on. We don't care about what happened in the past or even what's going to happen. It's what's happening right now. And like I said, the feeling I have, this market's just been chopping up and down. S&P, the ES is only up 4 points. It's nothing. There's nothing going on here. It's almost like it's thinking about what it wants to do. And it's building up some energy in here. So keep you posted on what's going on. My feeling is it's going to start coming down and eventually break this and downward into this danger zone here, but not so much a danger zone for 90% of the people, but for the people that understand how to trade this market, there's going to be some really good opportunities that we're not going to see for another maybe 10 or 15 years. This happens every 10 to 15 years, and you see a lot of millionaires created in this downturn. I shouldn't say a lot, but I'm saying the majority, 90% will lose, and then you'll get whatever, 5% maybe will understand what's going on here, they'll probably sell and stay out. And then you get that, whatever, 2%, let's say, that take advantage of this, and they're going to start making millions of dollars. And hopefully that's going to be you. So let's see what happens. Okay, so that's it for now. Talk to you later.